Okay, welcome back. In this lecture, we have to learn the environmental conservation. What is conservation? See, you already learned the conservation of plants and animals in 8th standard. See, we have to conserve our environment. Is the need to conserve? See, we have to conservation of our environment. See, sources, natural resources we have to conserve. Conservation means protection. See, we have to protect our environment, our natural resources. See, what will happen? We can't conserve these resources. See, in our environment, it is a imbalance. See, before studying, it is so many questions also given your book. Which factor affect the environment? Which factor is affecting the environment? Which factor? Yes, pollution. Pollution is affecting our environment. Pollution. Okay. Next, what said? Next, how? How? See, in our environment, number of, it is for example, volcanic eruption is there. So many sulfur dioxide gases also, it is emitting in our environment. Next, naturally or artificially or man-made, air pollution is there. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, sound pollution, light pollution. See, this light pollution is there. This pollution is emitting the, see, for example, air pollution. Air pollution is see, human being only doing the more excessive using the fossil fuels and see unnecessary using the vehicles. See, air pollution is occurring, so many factories. Okay, see, human beings is behaving the selfish. That's why it is this pollution is increasing. Okay, water pollution. See, sewage water is discharged in mainstream rivers, lakes, percolation tanks. See here. Next, land pollutions. This water is going to the land. They are sipping. What will happen? Land pollution also occurring. Sound pollution, light pollution, sound and loud light. See, we are using the Deepavali festival for crackers. The emitting the sound and light. See, it is also causing the pollutions. First question is clear. See, what will happen if number of consumers in the environment goes are increasing gradually? What will happen? Number of consumers is increasing. Producers is decreasing. Producers is decreasing. Producers is decreasing. Producers is decreasing. If a consumers is increasing, producers is decreasing. Next, what said? What will be affect the industry established on the river bank and the river ecosystem? Okay. So many industries establishing the river side. What will happen? The industrial polluted water, see, discharge in river. See, this is a river. See, river. What will happen? The river water is completely polluted. The pollution water along with the hot water also, it is discharging in rivers. In the rivers, number of aquatic plants and animals is there. Aquatic plants and animals. See what will happen? This aquatic plants and animals. See, they will be die. What will happen? Ecosystem will be imbalanced. That's why, see, before releasing this polluted water in a river, see, they have to purify. They have to remove the waste material. See, we have to see the Yamuna river. See, Yamuna river also. This Yamuna in the river, Ganga river, Godavari is there na, Krishna. See, number of rivers is today is a pollution. See, we have to see the Hussain Sagar lake of, there is a lake in Hyderabad. We have to see the Hussain Sagar water is totally polluted. Once upon a time, Nizam Nawab, the water is using for drink, but nowadays what will happen? It is spreading the smell 2 to 3 kilometers away because of the water pollution. So it is the polluted water is introduced or discharged in lakes, rivers and percolation tanks also. Now we have to see the here conservation. See, environment are the some artificial polluted also means this one artificial polluted and natural affecting. Next, factors affecting environment. What factors is affecting to our environment? Factors affecting environment. What type of factors is affecting our environment? See what type of factor is affecting? It is basically two types. Two types is there. See, natural, what's a natural factor and man-made factor. Natural factors, man-made factor.